We're going to run your test today on a ZCS 600 unit. This is a shredder on the top, a granulator on the bottom. We're running it with a 20 millimeter screen on the shredder and an 8 millimeter screen on the bottom. You could change the screen size. You go 25, 30 millimeter on your shredder. You can go 6, 8, 10, 12 on your granulator. And here's the samples you sent to us. There won't be any problem. There's a little walk around the unit. It's all SEW motors, SEW gearboxes on this unit. This is your hydraulic pack. This is your integrated blower system. It's right here. So we run your test. The material is just going to come out and go in here. Some folks, they just put a Gaylord next to it or a Super Sack next to it, and that's how they run the material. Or others, they put on a Super Sack underneath it with a wand in it and bring it right back into their operations. The control panel is a very simple control panel, just blower on and off, granulator on and off, hydraulics, shredder, conveyor. This is our lab unit. We don't have a conveyor on this unit, but one could be easily added. We just don't have it in our lab, the conveyor for it. And it's a smart control. You can't turn on the granulator if the blower's not on. You got to go kind of this way to turn it on and this way to turn it off, the unit. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop the video and then start processing your material. Ready, Paul, to load a unit? This will be our first purge. Is that all of it? Okay, 2 more pieces. I'm going to show you the inside. Alright, put the other 2 in, there's no problems. There's your shredder, it's running some volume through it. Granulator is easy going. Your material looks good, we'll just continue to run this process. had no problem processing your material. Here's your material. There's no heat in it. You don't have hardly any dust, some fines here and there, but not much. So we'll continue to run your material, and then we'll send you the sample back. Here's your material. It took roughly 9 minutes to process all that. Your processing will go a little bit faster because as it runs down, there's less material in the shredder. Your throughput drops. So by keeping a lot of material in the shredder, actually improves throughput on it. Your box said this was 34 pounds. We didn't weigh it, but I'm just assuming the UPS label was correct. So we processed 34 pounds in 9 minutes. And so here's your material. We used a 8mm, oh, no heat at all on this stuff. We used an 8mm screen on this, and it turned out great. I mean, just look at that. Really, really nice material. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bag this up, and then we'll send it out to you for your review.